Are you looking for a proven way to make more money in affiliate marketing? If so, stick with me. I'll share my top strategy to make more money faster and easier, no matter what affiliate offer you are promoting. Whether you have been in affiliate marketing for a while, or for that matter, network marketing too, see the strategy works equally well there also. Or if you are brand new to affiliate marketing, this one simple strategy can make all the difference in the world. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been marketing online almost since the beginning of the internet. I've been doing it full time now for over 20 years. And as I always ask, if you like my videos, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell too, so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And let me also ask that when you see that you got value out of this video, please click the like button too. That tells YouTube that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So this one simple strategy is something that I practice myself diligently, and I have taught it to my teams for years. In fact, I demand that the people I mentor personally follow it exactly. It's that critical to your success. See, without following it, you will be leaving money behind and making your business far more difficult and frustrating, sometimes to the point that many have even quit. So let me explain. I've been building my #1 recommended income stream for over 2.5 years now, and I've found it to be the fastest and the easiest way yet to create an amazing income online. And that's without having to build a website, without having any previous skills. We show people how they can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. That's right, just a few hours a week. It's all online and mostly automated so that it offers tremendous time leverage. You can do it from almost anywhere you happen to be on whatever schedule suits you. But that few hours per week, that flexible schedule, is where people can get goofed up if they do not know this strategy. And the strategy is consistent daily action. You must take consistent daily action. See, even though my business takes minimal time, in fact, I haven't seen anything requiring so little time that can be so lucrative, you must chip away at it a little each day. 30 or 45 minutes a day will always be easier to do and far more productive than a 3 or 4 hour marathon on Saturday or Sunday afternoon. Besides, if you are like most people in affiliate marketing and still working a traditional job, those Saturday or Sunday afternoons are time for you and your family. Don't give them up just because you did not discipline yourself during the week. And it's so simple to come up with 30 or 45 minutes a day if you want to. If nothing else, just turn the television off. And for that occasional person who says that they cannot come up with the time each day, well, they should probably learn to like their job. Their odds of massive success in affiliate marketing are going to be slim at best. So again, the proven strategy is consistent daily action. And if you are at the point where you are searching or maybe researching affiliate marketing opportunities, check out what we do. It pays out big commissions and recurring income too. It's super simple. You can make money fast. Many new people make money their first day. We have the best training in the industry. We do 6 live daily Zoom calls each week and have recorded training too. Our online training site is the most extensive I've seen. Many people already building other businesses join us just for our training. It's that good. And lastly, and probably the biggest part of helping you make more money in affiliate marketing, I will mentor you personally. I will share everything that has helped us be successful. You'll never wonder what to do next. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, or my personal cell whenever you need help. Like I said, I will show you how you can create a full-time income working as little as 30 minutes per day. To learn more and start making money today, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.